Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore French door with bottom freezer and ice maker refrigerator. I'm going to show it off here and show you that it is in fact cooling like it's supposed to in the refrigerator and the freezer temperatures. It's in excellent condition, as you can see. Of course, I'll have pictures and description and all that in the post. If you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out. But I do these videos just as a way for you to see, as if you were standing here yourself checking it out with it plugged in. I've got the water line hooked up there for the ice maker, so you're going to see that everything on it works perfectly. Real quick, I'll show you before I go fanning the door and showing the inside. I've got my temperature gun here, and it's going to show you the surface temperature, 2 red dots, and in between those 2 red dots is where it takes its measurement on temperature. So out here it's about 66. And the fridge temperature is about 67. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, and I've got this thing set on full blast, so it's going to be colder than it typically would be. Down here it's going to get pretty cold, so right about there. Obviously you wouldn't want those closed up, or you wouldn't need to run this thing on a 7. I think recommendations 4 or 5, but I always do it just when testing it, just to make sure it gets all the way down like it's supposed to. So I'll go ahead and snap a picture for that. And then on the freezer side, go ahead and shoot this in there. You can see it's pretty cold in there as well. Let me shoot a picture of that here. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and just start with the freezer here. You can see it's nice. Everything's clean. It's got a divider there. We've got our ice bucket, and it's doing a great job dropping the ice. And the ice maker, if we can see it here, that's on. Flip this up and that'll turn it off, and you got your ice bucket. Plenty of room down there too. So go ahead and open this up here. You see these, all of these shelves are in excellent shape. Nothing's cracked, nothing's broken. Here, all of this is in excellent shape here. Show you that. And then the inside, there's plenty of space, and which is kind of cool is these actually slide out, so you can actually see what you got going on in your fridge. Yeah, pretty neat. The only thing that's missing at this moment is this little flapper here. It's a little door cover. I've ordered that part. It's on the way, so whoever purchases this will get that part. Even if I just got to slap a new shipping label on it and send it to you, but I imagine it might be here by the time someone's ready to come get this. This drawer pulls out, and then these guys pull out. So, and like I said, I've got it set to full blast up here, but yeah, the initial setting is 4. So typically it's supposed to be at 4, but I always put everything on full blast. And I'll give you a little look at the tag here, in case you want to see any of that. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions on it, like I said, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, now you know, as if you were standing here with it all plugged in and cooled down, works perfect. So please take a look and read the ad thoroughly, and if you have any questions, reach out. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you very much.